Welcome to Linux Help. In today's session we are going to see how to install Bpytop on Rocky Linux 9.2. Bpytop is a Python-based resource monitoring tool that is free and open source similar to other monitoring programs like htop, htop, and bashtop, which offer real-time monitoring of system resources such as disk, network, processes, and CPU. First I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Next we need to install pip3 by using the following command. Pip is a package manager for Python, and it's an essential tool for managing Python packages, including Bpytop. Press Y and hit Enter to continue. pip3 installed successfully. Next install Bpytop using pip3 using the following command. Pip will download and install Bpytop and its dependencies. Bpytop installed successfully. Now you can access Bpytop simply by using the following command. This will launch the Bpytop application in the terminal window. By default, it displays the CPU, memory, and disk I/O statistics in real time. If you decide to remove Bpytop from your system, you can do so easily by running the following command. Press Y and hit Enter to continue. Next I am going to verify that the Bpytop was removed from our system or not by using the following command. Bpytop uninstalled successfully. By this way you can install and uninstall Bpytop on Rocky Linux 9.2. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.